Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Visual Studio with data tools and the correct Net SDK. Next, confirm your database engine and gather host, port, user, and password. Once done, enable TCP/IP and open a firewall port so Visual Studio can reach the server. Make sure to test connectivity with a client like SSMS or dbeaver. This proves credentials work. Now you're ready to create a Visual Studio project and begin adding connection code or a data source. You now configure the connection inside Visual Studio. Open Server Explorer and choose Add Connection. Pick the provider that matches your database and paste host, port, user, and database. Once you test the connection, add the same connection string to app settings, JSON or web. Config so code can reuse it. Make sure to install the matching NuGet package, Microsoft. Data. SQL client for SQL Server, NPGSQL for PostgreSQL or MySQL. Data for MySQL. You finish by applying migrations or running initialization scripts so the schema exists. Start the app and watch the output or logs for authentication failures, timeouts, or provider exceptions. These tell you exactly where to act. If queries fail, enable verbose logging and validate the connection string and provider NuGet versions. Make sure the server accepts remote connections and that credentials have sufficient permissions. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see provider mismatches or type errors, update or reinstall the provider package and rebuild the project before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.